Bookmark Editor is a great tool for creating a folder structure for your content. It gets even better with 6W tags, because did you know that you can quickly filter away what you don't want to see in the bookmark? You can use this to, let's say, quickly get an overview of the files that you need to work on right now. And I will show you how you can do that. We have a bookmark for a project that we are working on, and it contains several files. And although a great thing with bookmarks is that it keeps things tidy and in one place, there can be a lot of content in them. And if you got assemblies with a lot of components in them, expanding these assemblies will reveal a lot more content. The good news is that if you got the Bookmark Editor widget on the dashboard, you can filter the bookmarks based on these 6W tags. When you see a 6W tag that you want to start on, you can click on the tag directly to hide everything else and files that have that tag. Let's say I want to display only the files I have created. Within Bookmark Editor, I can click the 6W tag button, then find the tag I am after. I will click to colorize the tag group so that I can see who has created each file, and then I can click my name to display only my files. As you can see here, what remains are my files only. On the top bar, you can see that the Bookmark Editor widget title bar now has a little icon on it. And that means that the content in the widget is being filtered. I did another video on how you can quickly find your own files anywhere on your platform. So what I'm showing you now only shows whatever is yours inside this particular bookmark. This is a good technique to use when you need to find the right content in the bookmark, or whenever you need to familiarize yourself with content that is new to you for various reasons. It helps you to quickly get an overview of the data in the bookmark, and is something you can use in addition to the column titles in the list view of Bookmark Editor. 6W tags are available in almost all web apps, so you can use them to filter many other types of content as well, not only in the Bookmark Editor app. And yes, you don't have to use a PC to do this, it works on a tablet as well. That's it, see you next time.